Today is a new day, and it is May. Your girl Poe, your favorite tree, and I'm gonna be doing my hair. But firstly, before I even get on, can we just smile at this? Because we need to do like a rewind back years ago to one of my older videos, one of my first viral videos that really went viral. One part of my life, not everything about my life, but one part of my life. It has come full circle. All right, now let me know who is that right there? Who that? Who is this? Who is this? Who is she? In the store near you. Shout out to Janet, because this video is all about them. Janet Collection. I'm about to put these crochet locks in, relocks, you know. Ooh, Jesus, yeah, if anyone ever seen that video, which you probably have if you're even here in the first place, how I was doing my locks was super cool and thick and natural, I guess. And over time, I've learned to perfect it and do what's best for myself, my head shape, my confidence, my look. I've added bangs, I've added colors, I've done different lengths, different sizes, really did it all. So I did take a break. Well, first of all, I cut my hair and did a whole bunch of stuff with my hair, but I also took a break from protective styles because you should always take a break from protective styles. I mean, like, so now that I have taken that well-needed break and also moved across the country and did a whole bunch of stuff, I am now going to see what I can do, because I'm having all of this flush of ideas and different images in my head, because I want to, I don't know, I want to do something cute. Now let me explain this with the locks. Now most locks, when we go and get our hair and we're getting ready to do it, we're either doing it from scratch, right? We're doing individuals, or we have crochet, and crochet is like the pre-made, pre-looped locks that's already prepared. Now I have seen plenty. Some of them are really small. You got the boho ones, you got the butterfly ones, and then now you have these, which look exactly like, literally go to my older videos, like how my locks look. These look exactly like that. They're already there. They're lightweight. They're pre-looped. Right here, you see that? They're pre-looped. The ends are good. But if you see how my locks are, go to my first or second video of me doing locks, which was also my very first time doing it until I started to perfect it for myself. This is hitting it like a nail on the head, okay? This is 30 inches. This comes down to, oh wow. This kind of goes past my booty crack. It goes pretty low. Of course, the higher it is on the head, it won't be that low. So I'm gonna go to the top of my head here. This still comes, wow, waist. 8 to 10 comes in each pack because of the thickness. They're really big and long. So yeah, I'm really about to get into it. I also have some looser hair because I think I'm gonna add, like, you know, curls and braids. I don't know. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. I'm also gonna let my bangs stay out as well, just like the last time I done my hair. Well, my locks specifically, I had a bang out. It was, you seen it was there. That video exists too. You can also go to my page and you'll see all the different ways I styled it with having a loose bang out. So yeah, I really want to try that with having some hair out, having like kind of like braids, almost kind of like giving like this like boho, really like just loose, worn look that I'm going for. I never part my hair. The only time I part is towards the front, and I think I'm not even going to do that this time. I just finger part it, get the pieces I want, whatever. It's going to be way easier to do it now because my hair is so short. That's why I am like focus on. I'm just hoping that it occurs like how I want it to occur. So I don't know. Okay, so this is the finished product. Which is what I was going for, so I'm happy. It took longer than I planned. I was supposed to be finished yesterday night, but instead I went to sleep because I was tired, and I finished this morning. I've had 15 locks in my head, just 15 chunky ones, and 15, 16 like smaller braids, like one that goes with each lock. It was only 3 packs of hair that I used, 1 pack of loose hair that I used. Yeah, I'm using the same technique. The only difference is because this lock is pre-made and it has kind of like a center. I'm playing with the center a little bit. I have to cut the center, tie it in or whatever, especially when it comes closer to my top, because I have it a really chunky at the root in the back, just for it to give it volume. Yeah, that's it. This is just it. But I can't say yes. It was a little tiring. It's down to my booty crack. I'm just show this one more time. This is the hair. Yeah, and if you like it, let me know what you think. And say it all in your, you know, where it's supposed to go down there. I hope you like. Thanks for watching.